Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a brand designs using Pippit AI. So Pippit AI is an AI tool that will help you to create any AI content like AI talking photos, avatar video, product showcase, product videos, and many more. And in here, we will use this tool to create any brand designs. And if you want to try these tools, you can just click the link in the descriptions or pin comment. So let's get started. First just open the Pippit AI like this, and then just go to Image Studio, and then go to AI Designs, and then in here I will just use the suggestions in here. Suggestions prompt to create a brand designs. This one you can just upload your logo that you want to use, and then just type your prompt like this, like for example refer to this logo and make a brand visual designs blah 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 like this. And then after that just choose your AI model, and then the resolutions, and then the ratio. In here I want to choose this one, and then just click on submit and wait for the process. And okay, like this, you will get the many results like this. Wow, I think it's so incredible. The result is so incredible. You will get the t-shirt designs, and then hat designs, sweater, and then shoes. I think it's so good. The result looks so good like this. Okay, like this, and I think it's so helpful to create your own brand designs. And okay, maybe that's it. Next, you can just try it yourself. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.